In today's video, let us solve the question number 8 from exercise 2.2, chapter 2, triangles. In my previous videos, I have completed the theorem 2.1 and 2.2 examples and also the questions 1 to 7 from the same exercise. If you have not watched these videos, do find the link in the description box below or click the I button above. So now let us quickly begin with the video. Question number 8 from exercise 2.2, chapter 2, triangle says, using theorem 2.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. And in the brackets they have mentioned, recall that you have done it in class 9. Okay, the using theorem 2.2 means that is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So using that theorem, we have to prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. So let us first draw the triangle. So let us name this triangle as ABC. Here they are saying us that a line joining the midpoints of any two sides. So let us locate the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. So let us take the sides AB and AC and let us locate the midpoint first. Okay, the midpoint of AB is here and midpoint of AC is here. So let us join these two points such that this line will be parallel to the third side of the triangle. Okay, so this line, let this be DE. So this line will be parallel to the third side BC. This is what they have mentioned in this statement of the question. Okay, now we have to prove that DE is parallel to BC by using the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So let us first write down what is given and what we have to prove. So since we are taking here the midpoints of the two sides of a triangle, so therefore we can say that if we take the midpoint of this side AB, then AD is equal to DB, and also in the side AC, AE will be equal to EC since we are taking the midpoint as E here, right? So let us write down, given is AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that this line DE is parallel to the third side, that is BC. So to prove DE is parallel to BC. Now let us write down the proof. So before going to the proof, let me explain you the converse of basic proportionality theorem once. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. So in converse of basic proportionality theorem, according to the statement of the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, it says that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So according to this theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. A line that divides the two sides of a triangle in equal proportion is parallel to the third side. So then we can say that DE is parallel to BC. This is the converse of the BPT theorem. So we are using this theorem to prove this statement given here. So let us first of all write down in triangle ABC what is given in the statement first. It is given AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. Right? So let us write down. Let us take this as a hint to prove this statement or this question. So write down, given AD is equal to DB and AE is equal to EC. And also they are saying us that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides. So if you take the side AB, then it is divided as AD by DB, right? So AD by DB we have, but it is given that AD is equal to DB since D is the midpoint of AB. So let us substitute AD is equal to DB divided by DB. So this will cancel out each other and it will be equal to 1. Therefore we can write down AD divided by DB is equal to 1. So let this be equation number 1. Similarly, if you take the side AC, the midpoint of this side is taken, that is E. So it is divided as AE by EC will give you the side AC, right? Now let us substitute AE is equal to EC that is given. So if AE is equal to EC, substitute here EC divided by EC. Now this will cancel out and this will be equal to 1. So write down AE by EC is equal to 1. So let this be equation number 2. So now if you observe in equation 1 and 2, the right hand sides are equal, that is equal to 1. So if the right hand sides are equal, then also the left hand sides will be equal, right? So write down from equations 1 and 2, we can say that AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Now let us use the converse of BPT theorem. In the converse of BPT theorem, if any two sides of a triangle is divided in equal proportion by a line DE, then it is parallel to the third side, right? Then we can say that the DE is parallel to BC, since AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We can write down, thus in triangle ABC, D and E are points dividing AB and AC in same ratio. Therefore, by converse of BPT theorem, we have DE parallel to BC. So hence we have proved here that is DE is parallel to BC. So this is very important question, that is question number 7 and 8. Both are very important. They have given you a statement and you have to prove by using either the BPT theorem or converse of the BPT theorem. And it is very simple. Also, you have to just understand the statement given and accordingly you have to draw a figure, and by using the respective theorem you can prove. Hopefully you have understood these questions. If you have any doubt, do comment me in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 9 from exercise 2.2 chapter 2 triangles. So till then, do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC Insert Math. And also do watch the questions given on the screen from the same exercise. Thank you.